Hey, everyone! Today, we're going to explore how to create table automations in Engini that can enhance your workflow efficiency. Imagine automating routine tasks, keeping your data consistent, and saving valuable time. Sounds great, right? In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to build an automation that fits your needs perfectly. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First, navigates to tables on the left sidebar. Make sure you have a workbook and a table created in Engini. If you haven't done this yet, be sure to check out the links on how to create a workbook and build tables. Now, to add a new automation, click on the name of the table where you want to set up the automation. On the right side of the workbook page, click on Automations. If it's your first automation, click on Add New Automation. Next, you'll build your automation by choosing a trigger. A trigger is what starts the automation. You can choose from different triggers like record creation, record deletion, or record updates. For example, you might want the automation to start whenever a new record is created, or when a specific column in a record is updated. Once you've set the trigger, you can also add conditions to make sure the automation only runs when certain criteria are met. After setting the trigger, it's time to choose an action. An action is what happens after the trigger is activated. You can choose an action related to the table, or you can also link actions to other software integrated with Engini. Just select the table and fields you want to work with, and define how you want the data to be handled. Once you've built your automation, remember to save it by clicking the Save button on the right side of the window. Finally, activate your automation by performing an action that should trigger it. You can check the status of your automation by clicking on Automations in the upper right side of the workbook. The Automations Activity tab will provide you detailed information about any last runs or if there were any issues. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily set up table automations in Engini to streamline your workflow. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.